Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, you guys know I love you so very much. Thank you so much for the support. So, I know I've been gone a while. I was actually taking my real estate exam and I passed. So, yay! That video is either up or will be going up shortly. So if you're interested in that, please check it out. But I have coupons too. And they are highlighting the new fragrance Open Sky. Well, inside they're highlighting Open Sky. On the outside, it's Lakeside Citrus and Sunrise Woods. So the coupons that I received is a free hand cream up to $7.50. And a 20% off your entire purchase. So love the coupons, and I'm excited to see that Lakeside Citrus is back. I actually didn't purchase that one because I already have some of it, and I actually did a review on that. I'll link that right up here for you guys if you want to check that out. But let's just jump into what I picked up. So I picked up Sunrise Woods, the Ultimate Hydration Body Cream. And there is the packaging. Very beautiful and fall-like. And I love the taupe colored top. This color scheme is kind of a different pace. I like it. So the body cream is $15.50. Creamy sandalwood, sweet berries, and cozy cashmere. Sounds wonderful. Yeah, I smell vanilla and berries. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. I like that. So I also picked up the Fine Fragrance Mist. And this retails for $15.50 as well. And there is the packaging. Let's see here. Yeah, vanilla and berries. A little simplistic, but I like it. I'm not getting much sandalwood, so I will have to wear this and find out if that sandalwood comes out when I wear it. And then I picked up a body cream in Pinkberry Clouds. I love the name. Yeah. So the scent notes are strawberry spun sugar, marshmallow fluff, and fresh air. It sounds incredible. I love anything that smells like spun sugar and marshmallow, and strawberries aren't bad. I'm not sure about the fresh air note though. Let's see. Ooh, I like this. It smells like something though. This is familiar. I smell strawberries and sugar. It smells wonderful. So I also picked up the Fine Fragrance Mist. Both of these retail for $15.50. Let's see. Yeah, I like that. I love that. Okay, so yes, that is Pinkberry Clouds. I may have to wear that, get that review up for you guys. Okay, and then I picked up Open Sky. And I like the packaging on this as well. The copper, so pretty. This retails for $15.50. Wild blackberries, soft violet, and a cloud of comforting vanilla. Ooh. This smells like a designer perfume. Which one? Ooh, I like that a lot. And I also got the Fine Fragrance Mist. So pretty. I love how it's got the pink sky in the back with the blue. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it smells so familiar. What is this? It's a designer perfume that I have worn. Oh, it's going to drive me crazy. If you guys know, please comment and let me know, because that smells familiar too. You know what? I think I'm going to wear open sky today. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that. And try to get some reviews up for you guys. Sorry for the delay, but if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.